Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Mitsubishi Lancer in GTA 5. First, you'll need to acquire the right base vehicle. The car in Sultan RS is the perfect choice, as it closely resembles the Lancer Evolution. You can purchase this vehicle from the Southern San Andreas Super Autos website in-game. Make sure you have at least $120,000 for the car itself, plus extra for modifications. Next, let's focus on performance. Head to Los Santos Customs to begin your upgrades. Max out the engine and transmission for optimal speed and handling. Don't forget to install racing brakes for better stopping power, especially when navigating tight corners. Finally, add a turbocharger to give your Lancer-inspired vehicle a serious boost in acceleration, making it a formidable street machine. Now for the visual appeal. To truly capture the Lancer's essence, select a vibrant primary color like metallic blue or white and a contrasting secondary color. The spoiler is crucial. Choose one that mimics the aggressive wing of the Lancer Evolution. Custom wheels, such as those with a 5-spoke design, will further enhance its authenticity. You can also explore different hoods and side skirts to complete the look. To finalize your custom Lancer, consider adding dark window tints for a more aggressive stance. Custom exhaust tips will not only look great, but also provide a satisfying engine sound. Once all modifications are complete, take your new ride for a spin around Los Santos. Experiment with its handling and enjoy the thrill of driving your very own Lancer-inspired masterpiece. It's ready for races or just cruising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.